Check out this GMC 2021 Sierra 1500 AT4. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are preferred equipment Group 4SP, 3.23 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, 18x8.5 machined aluminum wheels, front bucket seats, perforated leather appointed front seat trim, 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar, off-road suspension and radio, premium GMC infotainment system with multi-touch. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.